Check it out, people. We encountered our first snake last night. It's pretty creepy. I hate snakes. If y'all have any tips or anything like that as to how to keep them away from our area, that would be greatly appreciated. Good morning, beautiful people. It's Nina with Runneth Over Garden and Life. Yes, I'm still in my robe. And yes, I'm outside in my front yard. Well, I wanted to share with you guys today what my sweet husband did for me over the weekend. Besides building that garden bed, which he did an awesome tutorial. Thank you, honey. I appreciate you. Can y'all guess what it is with all that little ticking noise? So I've been sick lately. I deal with cysts on my body. And I don't want to go too much into it because it's kind of personal and stuff. But yeah, it's very painful. But anyways, today I'm feeling a little better, so that's why I'm doing this short little video. But yeah, let me show you what my sweet husband did for me to help me, I guess encourage me to get better. Alright, so I'm going to turn you guys around. Give me 1 minute. Alright guys, check them out. These are my new bunnies. We're going to need new names, so if y'all can suggest any new names. This is the female. They're standard Rex, from what I understand. I'm not sure about their hair color. I'm really not a very savvy person when it comes to rabbits. This is actually like my first, I guess you could say barnyard type of animal. I mean, I've never been around goats. Well, I've been around goats, but I've never like had goats. This is our buck. I've never had like goats or ducks or chickens or anything like that, so this is a first. But yeah, guys, if y'all don't mind leaving me some suggestions on names, that would be really awesome. But yes, they're standard Rex. I haven't put them together so that way they can, you know, mate. I don't think I'm quite ready for that yet, you know. But yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I know my husband is going to be building some hutches. So if you guys have any suggestions also as to a really good tutorial or YouTube video that's out there that is really simple and easy to understand to building hutches, that would be greatly appreciated. The buck, I don't think he's been handled very much. He's very skittish and kind of shy, I guess you can say. As for the doe, as you can see, she's very curious. And she is very soft. I couldn't believe how soft she was, but she is very soft. But yeah, and she doesn't seem very skittish. Every time I open up the little hutch thingy to put her hay in, she's always up in the front, greeting me. Either greeting me or trying to get out. I'm not really sure. Maybe she wants to escape. But yeah. Well, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Fabulous Monday. Let's make it a good one, guys. Alright, guys. So this is going to be me signing off. Until next time. And hopefully I will get tons better, so that way I could come out here and enjoy my bunnies. And by the way, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with the world, guys, our videos. Everything that y'all do is greatly appreciated, and we thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.